you can make more money out of debt in real estate. Pero ang tanong, paano mo malalaman how much debt is too much? I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal! Leveraging or making money out of debt will benefit you greatly only if you use it safely and responsibly. There are costs to being overleveraged and being underleveraged. So how do you know if you have too much debt or if you can take on more debt? The answer lies in knowing the right leverage ratio for you. What is leverage ratio? Leverage ratio is your total debt divided by the total market value of all your properties. Typically, you can have a leverage ratio between 50% to 80%. The right leverage ratio for you depends on these 4 factors. Factor number 1, age. When you're young, time is on your side, and you can afford to take on more debt for bigger gains. Why? You can maximize capital appreciation when you start early, and the earlier you invest and the longer you hold on to your property, the bigger your capital appreciation. In addition, when you're young, you have a lot of time to recover from any unforeseen circumstances. This doesn't mean to invest blindly or recklessly. You should always study the market and do your financial analysis. If you want to learn about the developments with high growth potential, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. Factor number 2, income. This is pretty straightforward. If you have a steady, well-paying job or income stream, you can take on more leverage. The higher your income, the higher your leverage ratio you can take. This is because you have some leeway to freely adjust to any change in situation. Factor number 3, number of properties. If this is your first or second investment, you can afford to have a higher leverage ratio because it is still easy to manage. Any unforeseen situations will be far easier to manage and adjust to if you have just 1 or 2 properties versus if you have 5 or even 10 properties. Factor number 4, risk appetite, or what I call the sleep soundly test. Let's face it, investing in real estate is a big decision. At the end of the day, it's all about finding the right balance between achieving your financial goals and your stress tolerance. To find the right balance, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Some people, like me, will push the envelope and keep on investing more and more. They continue to find ways to increase their financial capacity to be able to invest again and still sleep soundly. If you're like this, great! While some may be more comfortable with buying 1 property, see how it goes, and after a few years, invest again. And that's great too. What is not okay is when people never get started on their real estate investment because they try to avoid any sort of stress. Then years later, they feel more stressed from not being able to achieve their financial goals. When you know the right amount of debt for you, you are in control and you're able to fast-track your financial goals the safe way. If you need help in getting a property with high growth potential, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram, or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.